Hey there, algebra. We got lesson 6-1 here. Learning target, I can solve the system by graphing, doing problems 2 through 7 and 12 through 15. I really love chapter 6, systems of equations. It makes a lot of sense. I just want to point out, if you haven't been watching the videos and taking the notes, that you're going to just get the assignment returned to you starting for chapter 6. It's really important that you are taking these notes and getting this down. So go ahead and pause this. Get these down really fast. It says, number 1, is -1, 2 a solution to this following two equations here? So let's go ahead and full screen that bad boy. So we got 2x plus 5y equals 8 and 3x minus 2y equals 5. And we have -1 and 2. And if you recall, x, comma, y, we put our x on our coordinates first. So we're going to take these and we're going to plug them in and see if they work. So we have 2 times -1 plus 5 times 2, and we're hoping that's going to equal 8. And we got 3 times -1 minus 2 times 5, and we're hoping that's going to equal 5. Well, 2 times -1 is -2, because 2 times 1, and we have 1 negative, 1 positive. Plus 5 times 2 is 10. -2 plus 10 is equal to 8. So that does work. 3 times 1 is -3. Minus 2 times 5 is 10. Equals 5. If we were to add the opposite, -3 plus -10 is not 5. So this one is not a solution. So if we were to check back here, all right, look at example 1. Example 2 here be this order pair makes one equation 2 but not the other, so it is not a solution to the systems. We have to make it where it is both. If you look at example A here for example 1, this one is true for both. This one, we have one that's true, one that's not, so it is not a system. And look at this next one, y equals x minus 3 and y equals -x minus 1. We're going to try to solve that by graphing. Remember, y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. These ones are a little bit trickier because there's actually no number right here in front of the x, so there is no m. If there is no number, that's always going to be a 1, so 1x and -1x. So I'm going to go ahead and make my graph real quick. Oh, beautifully drawn. Look at that. Okay, so we got -3 is where we go through the y-intercept, so -1, 2, 3. Apologize for not being right on that line. And it goes up 1 over 1 because our slope is positive. Up 1 over 1. And I could do that again and again to kind of show that that's going to go perfectly up like that. On the flip side, we have y equals -1 for our y-intercept, and it goes down 1 over 1 right there, down 1 over 1. And we can see that this is a solution because they cross over, and they cross over at 1, -2. So 1, -2 would be the solution for this system of equations. And again, we can look down here at this example. It comes right from here. The solution is 1, -2. I encourage you, if you're ever struggling, to scroll on up and look at these examples. Again, you're going to be doing problems 2 through 7, 12 through 15. So 2 through 4 are all from example 1, 5 through 7, all from example 2. So you can scroll up and use those. Again, you need to take these notes. If you didn't, I'm going to return the assignment. Good luck.